Are you a construction worker who has been injured on the job? Are you working through pain, afraid to lose your job? Did you know that it is illegal to fire you when you are on workers' comp? You may be entitled to significant monetary compensation and medical treatment, regardless of who was at fault. At Workers Defenders Law Group, we will fight for your right and help you to get you the medical treatment and the money you deserve. Call us for a free consultation at 714-948-5054. You pay nothing until we win.